Looks like we can't have enough of hot sunny days in London lately, which I'm definitely not going to complain about. I absolutely love this weather. It's so rare that we have days like we can actually sweat in London, and I love it. I love it. Can you blame me? If you want to, just do it, but I absolutely love it. And today I'm out again, taking pictures in arch light, which is something I really love again. And you may have seen the other videos as well about putting in arch light. But today I'm doing it a bit differently, because I'm out with a new toy, the GFX 50S. Now with this lens is 32 to 64, which is 25 to 50-ish equivalent. And yeah, I am going to enjoy this sunny hot day and the new toy. It's with me only for the weekend, because I'm using it for a client work, something you don't really see in my previous videos or in my Instagram, something completely different from what you see publicly there. But I thought I had some spare time with the camera. I'll just use it for as long as I can, as much as I can in this amazing weather. Now let me get out of the shade, back into the sun, and let me just enjoy this moment. Love it. Right, I'll see you later. Taking pictures now. So I'm back at the Barbican, same place where I shot the last video, because I wanted to take a quick look and do a quick comparison between the previous photos and the ones that I can get from the GFX 50S. So I thought that would be the ideal place to start. Now from here I'm gonna move towards central London. The sun is pretty nice, staying there. There's a bit of clouds, but I hope it's gonna be alright. I hope the sun is gonna stay, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I know that. I'll probably say amazing a billion times today, because I love this weather. I love the hot weather, and of course I have the GFX 50S with me to play with. So yeah, amazing. Ooh, it's actually a bit tiring to hold the GFX 50S, because it's pretty heavy, and also the lens is quite heavy as well. So I'm having a hard time to hold the iPhone in front of the camera when I take the pictures. I might need to find a different solution, or maybe I just do some POV while I walk, and then I'll show you a few pictures. That may work. You won't be able to see when I take the pictures of my subjects. You only see where I am, and then I show you the pictures. But it's quite heavy to hold it on one hand, to be honest. Right, so right now I'm on Tower Bridge, rushing to get sunset because the sky is turning really, really nice. It went cloudy, and then all of a sudden the sun started getting its way back through the clouds. So it's really, really gorgeous, and I expect a very nice sunset as well. Fingers crossed now, but with the GFX 50S, that's gonna be the perfect camera to take pictures of this sunset. I mean, seriously, just look at that.